Hello students, in this lecture we see the value rule 4 for finding integrating factor. So what is rule 4? If the differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, value of dabba m by dabba y minus dabba n by dabba x divided by n is equal to function of x alone, that is f of x, then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral fx dx. That means in the differential equation, now we have seen rule 3, 1, 2, 3. So first rule says that by inspection we can find integrating factor, but when we cannot find integrating factor by inspection, then we have to use these rules. In second rule we have seen that function must be in homogeneous form. So if the equation is not in homogeneous form, then we cannot use rule 2. Again, in rule 3, function equation must be in the form of function of xy. So when all these conditions are not satisfied, then we see next rule. So here is example: x square plus y square plus x into dx plus xy into dy is equal to 0. Now in this equation, this is not in homogeneous form. Degree of each term is different, and this is f1 and f2 are not functions of x into y. This is not function of xy. Here is function of xy, f2, but f1 is not function of xy. Therefore we cannot use rule 3 also. Therefore for this rule we have to find dabba m by dabba y and dabba n by dabba x. Now every time initially we have to find m and n, comparing given equation with mdx plus ndy. First find m and n, then find dabba m by dabba y and dabba n by dabba x. And if dabba m by dabba y is not equal to dabba n by dabba x, then that given equation is not exact differential equation, and then we have to find integrating factor. So now this rule we have to check this 1 upon n into dabba m by dabba y minus dabba n by dabba x is function of x. So we put here values. 1 upon n is x into y, into dabba m by dabba y we have calculated, it is 2y, dabba n by dabba x it is y. Therefore this is 1 upon xy into bracket 2y minus y. This is equal to 1 upon xy into y, cancelling y, this is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore this 1 upon n into dabba m by dabba y minus dabba n by dabba x is equal to 1 upon x. That means this is f of x, function of x only. This does not contain y. This is function of x only. Therefore we use integrating factor formula, that is integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral fx dx. This is equal to e raised to integral, our value of fx is 1 upon x dx. This is equal to e raised to integral of 1 upon x is log x, and therefore e raised to log x, this is equal to x. Therefore integrating factor is equal to x. Now we know how to solve by finding integrating factor. So here we multiply given equation by integrating factor. So x into this given equation multiplying by x into x square plus y square plus x into dx plus again x into xy into dy is equal to 0. So multiplying this x, we get x cube plus x into y square plus x square into dx plus x square y into dy is equal to 0. Now this must be exact differential equation, and solution of exact differential equation is, we know that integration of m dx plus integration of those terms of n which do not contain x. Now here you see n is equal to x square y, therefore here there is no term which is free from x, that is term containing only y. Therefore only we integrate m dx. So value of m is here x cube plus xy square plus x square, integrating with respect to x, this is equal to constant of integration. So integral of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4 plus integral of xy square with respect to x, here y is constant, therefore this y square is constant, and integral of x is x square upon 2, hence y square x square upon 2 plus integral of x square with respect to x, x cube upon 3 is equal to constant of integration c dash. Now to simplify this equation, we multiply whole equation by 12. Therefore here multiplying by 12, dividing by 4 we get 3, here we get 6, here we get 4. Therefore 3x raised to 4 plus 6x square y square plus 4x cube is equal to 12 c dash. Now we take for 12 c dash as a c, where the c is arbitrary constant, and this is our solution of given differential equation. So this is a method. You try to solve the examples so that there will not be any query. Thank you.